Hello, Lady Trans Lovies. I'm your girl, Lady, bringing you the hottest news. So if you're new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and also leave a comment below. Rhythm City actress arrested for assault. Bali Zagwe, who portrays Sindiswa, and Eve Rasimeni, who portrays Diki on Izibondiwe on Friday, was arrested for. They were arrested for allegedly beat the caretaker of their complex. The actresses allegedly got into an argument with the complex caretaker over loud music, according to the reports of Sunday World. They were charged with assault and attempt to cause grievous bodily harm. Rasimeni, speaking to the publication, said that on the day of the incident, she was celebrating her birthday on her Sandridge apartment, and the caretaker at around 12 p.m. came to tell them to switch off the music that was too loud. The actress told Sunday World that they refused to switch off the music as asked by the caretaker, as the complex rules stipulated that tenants cannot play music loud from 10 p.m. The caretaker then left the apartment and allegedly cut off the electricity supply to them. And they took she said, I took a shambok and went to his office. Bali followed me. When we arrived at the office, the woman who works with the caretaker started filming Bali. That's when hell broke loose, explained Rasimeni. Bali tried to remove the camera from her face, and the fight ensued between them. That's when we started shamboking them. The caretaker punched me, grabbed the shambok from me, and started beating with me. Rasimeni and Zage are currently out on bail and have laid counter charges against them. So that's it. Baphume nge-bail umbali no Rasimeni, but yes, charges wona akhona. Thank you guys for watching. I am out till next time.